I hear you're about to go into college without any gear.
With my A paper, you're getting your own personalized tutor with the Master Essay template. Not only that, you're getting a style guide to help you along if you have any questions. In addition to that, you're getting 40 essays that are all example essays that were created by using this exact method, and they all got A to B plus grades. Now, the reason I'm able to do this is because I've analyzed thousands of essays, thousands of college essays, okay? Not only that, I've interviewed other professors from major universities and conferred with them about this template and how it works, and they love it. Not only that, this method has been tested and it's approved in colleges. There's no reason, there's nothing they can do to stop you from using it. This is basically you're hacking the writing in college. You're going to be excellent writer whether you want to or not with this method. Now let me tell you what this does. It's going to save students like you hours of writing time per essay, giving you way more time to have fun and do whatever you want in college. Isn't that what you want? To have some good times instead of just sitting all day writing? So come on, go get my A Papers essay template today, and you're going to be the next happy student on your way to glory.